All right, let's get this finished up. So we're going to read through the questions. Again, this says, what is the probability? So normally when we're doing this kind of a question, I told you that you should set yourself up for success and, do that stuff times the other stuff. Well, that kind of a setup does not work when we're talking about multiple events. There are some strategies that will work with setting yourself up for success like that. However, we don't even need to do any more math here today because we already did all the math that's even possible to do for this whole problem. You can see that there are 4 probabilities up here. It's a little messy, but you can see them. We have if they are on time, late, late on time, or late, late. That's everything that could happen on Monday and Tuesday with this student's attendance. So let's see what these questions are asking. It says, what's the probability that the student will show up on time both Monday and Tuesday? We know that's this one, on time, on time. So we're going to just rewrite it, 46.24%, done. All right, next question. It says, what is the probability shows up late on both Monday and Tuesday? Late, late, that is down here. We already did that. It's 10.24%. So 10.24% is right there. All right. See how quick this is? We got this. All right, let's try that again. There was a typo and I found it, so it's all good. Yours will be fixed when you see it. On mine it says, what's the probability that the student will show up on time on Monday but late on Tuesday? So on time Monday, late Tuesday, that would be this probability right here, 21.76. So this answer for this question is going to be, where do I write it? Over here, 21.76%. All right, and then the last question we're going to do together here is, what is the probability that the student is late on Monday but on time on Tuesday? So for that one, we go late on Monday but then on time Tuesday. So that would be 21.76%. There we go. We answered all the questions, and now you guys got some work to do. Don't forget to put your answers into the Schoology puzzle piece. Also remember you're rounding your answers to the nearest 100th, which means 2 decimal places. So just like this, you would want to round it if you needed to 76. And then put the percent symbol in there when you're putting your answers in. Last reminder is, after you submit, if you go and you click view, it'll show you what you did wrong, and also it'll show you what the correct answer is. And the reason why I give you the answers is because I don't want you to get stuck and frustrated and not know what you did wrong. Because sometimes it's just a rounding error, and once you see it, you're like, oh, okay, I got this. So, good luck. Don't forget, I'm available Friday at noon, from noon to 1 in FJ Office 10. It's a Google Meet where we'll go over all of the red box questions from the week to make sure you're ready for your quiz. All right, see you soon.